got business is to get some food. I don't know the name of the place. It's like an Indian place, so I'm gonna go check it out and see what it's like. I don't even remember what this plaza is called. I don't know, but I know the Indian place is here, and we're gonna go find it, and I'll figure out the name later. Alright, so just finished having food at Manzil. Right, Manzil. It was really good. It was really good. And I love the ambience of the place, how it looks. And where it's located is actually really easy to find. But yeah, I'm gonna move on to the next spot now. I actually want to see if I can get a pair of Crocs. And then we got a beach move to make next. Alright, so I fell victim to temptation after years actually of telling myself that I would never, ever, ever, ever get one of these. I decided to get up here. But I'm not disappointed because they're actually very comfortable. And I got them with some designs that I like. So, it's all good. Well, yeah, never mind. Trying to put this in the nicest way I can. That's just not my type of beach. So I'm gonna see if I can, well, we can find another spot. So let's go. There's just too much going on over there just now. And it seems like a really commercialized beach. I'm not from this side of town, so I don't know. Maybe local OCHO people might know. But that's what I probably would have expected or would have ended up seeing, but yeah, that's not my speed at all. So I think we're at OCHO RIOS Bay Beach now. Funny enough, it's actually right off of the main road in downtown Ochi. And I would have missed it because to my knowledge, there's like a supermarket over there. It's like a whole plaza that's on a beach. So let's see. So OCHO RIOS Bay Beach. So it's actually not a bad looking beach. I never got a very good look at it because it's a pay to enter beach and it was basically closed at the time now. So I'm just gonna call it until tomorrow. I'm gonna go back tomorrow and take a look at it. But I'm gonna go to the supermarket now to get a few things. The pharmacy, supermarket and the pharmacy, and then head home and rest and then resume the adventure tomorrow. Alright, so day 2 in OCHO RIOS. Still have a few more beaches to go and take a look at. So yeah, rolling on now. I think it's what time is it? It's almost 1:30. Just tried leaving at a little later time when the sun wasn't too hot, super hot early in the morning. So yeah, we're making some moves and let's see what we get into today. Pleasure Cove was actually a really nice beach, so I think that's gonna be on the top of the list for what I want to do. You guys will find out in the next couple months if all things goes to plan. But I'm in the town of OCHO RIOS now. Pretty hungry, so I'm gonna try and find some food.